And then the last one would be the Secret Gold. So Secret Gold, it's actually gives you more radiant complexion. It's also a powerful spot correction. And if you are, for example, you have sunburn or you have redness on your skin, you can actually apply Secret Gold. It can actually improve the redness or the sunburn on your skin. It protects your skin from sun damage as well. So you can also use this twice a week, every Monday and Thursday night. So some of the ingredients that we have on Secret Gold, of course, vitamin C as well, glutathione. Another one is the fermented soybean. It's a strong antioxidant skin whitening ingredient. That's why your skin really look more fresh. You're gonna have a radiant skin once you have this 24 karat gold mask. It also has linoleic acid. It is a fatty acid with anti-inflammatory and can give you more moisture and hydration on your skin. Okay.